Hi everyone, Peter here, SoCal Wanderer YouTube channel. My last video was an Oath of the Gatewatch pre-release kit opening, and today I have a Battle for ZENDIKAR pre-release kit opening. So these two openings are connected. This is the pre-release kit that I ordered when I got the Oath of the Gatewatch kit in the mail. The kits look extremely similar. They have the same pattern on the front, they're just a different color. So they actually sent me the wrong kit by mistake. So I opened that one, I paid a reduced price for it, and they sent me this one as well. So now I'm going to open this one, and we're going to see what we get. All right, cool, let's get into it. All right, off we go. So, pop that off. Alright, time to find out what the promo is. It is Defiant Bloodlord. That is one that I do not have, so I'm quite happy to get that. Alright. And then we've got 6 packs of Battle for ZENDIKAR. Battle for ZENDIKAR spin down die. I rolled a 15. Okay, here we go. Pack number 1. Anticipate. Mindraker. Territorial Baloth. Royal Mage's Trick. Outnumber. Kite Sail Scout. Sheer Drop. Valakut Invoker. Shadow Glider. Dominator Drone. For the uncommons, we've got Stasis Snare, Rot Shambler, Windrider Patrol, and then the rare is Planar Outburst. It's a 5-mana board wipe, destroy all non-land creatures, and you can awaken it for 8 mana. And then we have a Flower Mountain and an Eldrazi Scion. Alright, pack 2. Alright, Culling Drone, Outnumber, Fortified Rampart, Fertile Thicket, Snapping Gnarlid, Spell Shrivel, Complete Disregard, Scour from Existence, Antijuor Beastmaster. For the uncommons, we've got Akoum Stonewaker, Tide Drifter, Infused with the Elements. Rare is Woodland Wanderer, which I believe we had in the last pre-release kit. And we have a foil Eyeless Watcher. Hey, it's an Omnath token. Okay. Giant Mantis, Brilliant Spectrum, Makindi Patrol, Kozilek Sentinel, Fertile Thicket, Geyser Fueled Stalker, Snapping Gnarlid, Evolving Wilds, Eldrazi Sky Spawner, and Hedron Blade. For our first uncommon, there's a Brood Monitor, drawn as Emissary, very good card in draft, and Royal Spout. Now rare, that is an Akoum Hellkite. And we have an another Eldrazi Scion token. Alright, halfway through. 3 more. Still looking for an expedition. It's been a long time since I've pulled one. Pulled quite a few in my day, but it's been quite a while. Territorial Baloth, Royal Mage's Trick, Lava Step Raider, Fortified Rampart, Scour from Existence, Grave Birthing, Broodhunter Worm, Spell Shrivel, Complete Disregard, and Ruin Processor. Our uncommon first one is Grove Rumbler. That is a very, very good uncommon right there. Fantastic in draft. Akoum Stonewaker, Horribly Awry, Painful Truths, and Forest, and another Omnath Elemental token. Nirkana Assassin, Orin Reef Invoker, Dispel, Mindraker, Sure Strike, Inspired Charge, Ghostly Sentinel, Benthic Infiltrator, Vestige of Emrakul, and Gideon's Reproach. For our first uncommon, we've got Angel of Renewal, Ulamog's Reclaimer, Slabhammer, and a Fathom Feeder. Mountain. Plant token. And last one. Calastria Night Watch, Swell of Growth, Mist Intruder, Dutiful Return, Tandem Tactics, Outnumber, McKindy Slide Runner, Smite the Monstrous, Kozilek's Channeler, Vestige of Emrakul, and that is the end of the commons. We have Plated Crusher, Royal Spout, Encircling Fisher, and a Mythic Dragon Master Outcast. And that's going to end it right there. All right. Defiant Bloodlord is our promo. Dragon Master Outcast is the only mythic we pulled. All right, and that is the end of the pre-release kit. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.